Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip S Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like the sun icon. This is the screen brightness icon. And to adjust the screen brightness, tap on this icon to open this menu. And now we can adjust the brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. Adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.